WBUY stock analysis and price predictions. Easy to buy. Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Webuy Global is an already beautiful 60% increase in price. Ultimately, man, the only thing that I care about is getting involved and just, buying. Just not trying to get things dirty. And ultimately, I mean, the only thing that I'll care about is a super duper good confirmation here. I mean, I like the pump, but what I would like even the most is this shift actually taking place, because then, then that's when we freaking print. But again, what I'm not going to do is randomly start getting involved in this. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. Let me know what is your opinion on Webuy, and if you want to learn how I'm consistently generating 5 to 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description. I'm even come out as much as to say that I want to see some receipts here, nothing specifically, but see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.